welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can remove your credit card from Amazon. Well, it is a very simple process. All you have to do is, first of all, log into your Amazon account, for which you're first going to need to open any kind of browser. Here I'm going to use Chrome browser. After opening the browser, what you're going to do is go to the search bar and start typing www.amazon.com. After typing that, now tap on enter button on your keyboard. Now this will take you straight to the official website of Amazon. After doing that, now make sure that you are logged into your Amazon account. Here you can see I am already logged in. So all you gotta do is now click on this option, account and list. Click on it. After clicking on it, here you can see there are multiple options given, from which click on your payments. After doing that, here you can see I haven't added any of my cards here. So here is nothing showing up. If you have added your credit or debit card, your cards will show up. All you gotta do is click on the card that you added and the remove button will show up. Simply just click on the remove button and a confirmation button will again pop up. Simply just click on confirm in order to remove your credit or debit card from your account. And it is that simple. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.